Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the exact backup you want and confirming file integrity. Open Lightroom's backup folder, then pick the most recent. LRCat file, that is the only file Lightroom will accept for a catalog restore. Once done, make sure you also note the previews. LR data folder stored with that backup, those previews speed recovery. You should also check free disk space and close Lightroom before proceeding, because the app must not be running while you replace or restore catalog files. You now extract the backup zip into a temporary folder and inspect the contents. Copy the LRCat file and the previews, LR data folder together into your target Lightroom catalog directory. Keeping them side by side preserves performance and metadata links. If your backup contains sidecar XMP files or original image folders, copy them too, matching the original folder structure. Once files are in place, do not rename anything. Lightroom locates assets by exact names and paths, so you finish by opening Lightroom with Alt or Option held down so you can select the restored LRCat file explicitly. Lightroom will build or validate previews. Wait until it finishes, then quickly spot-check recent edits, collections, and keywords to confirm success. If Lightroom shows missing photos, use the relink feature to point to the original image folder. Often a simple folder relocation is the cause. Troubleshooting tip: if catalogs fail to open, try restoring an earlier backup copy or use Catalog Integrity Check to detect corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.